TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now trading down 4. You get the Nasdaq down 3. S&Ps are down 1. Gold contract flat, $12.84 an ounce. You have silver down 17 cents, $17.18 an ounce. Platinum's flat, $9.77. Light sweet crude flat also, $50.27. Bonds, the 10-year up 6 ticks, 126.04. 30-year up 8 ticks, 154.13. Now, what you had with the bonds is this. They've had wide price spread, accelerated volume this week. Last 2 days, you pull back with light volume. They're going topside again. On the dailies, on the weeklies, it looks like two different things. Same thing, actually. You're going higher. Monster volume, wide price spread. King dollar up 175 ticks, trading at 99.860. You can expect the volatility to stay inside the dollar today, inside the currencies today in particular, because of the vote on Sunday in France. King dollar is making its way down into the lowest swing point of February. The euro is trading at 107 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 109 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have happening is this. You had an expansion of price yesterday. You had some volume behind the move. We are at 235. That being said, what the SPY was going into is the April 5th time frame that has 108 million as well as 131 million. You only did 95 million. That's on your daily. On your weekly, what you're going to see is that it's going to be dramatically lighter volume. We're talking about you're going into 495 million. And I suspect we're going to do about 400 million. So it's going to be where you close out today. If the SPY closes out under 236.25, bottom line, that's just a dead cat bounce. The Dow Industrials are the weakest out here. Dow Industrials haven't been able to get up to its benchmark. The benchmark in the Dow is the low of the 21st of March. That's 20,653. Now, the one to keep your eye on, folks, it's all about the NDX 100 and the NASDAQ. And this is what you have. We have been at these highs for 8 weeks. Bottom line, you closed at a high yesterday. And the bottom line is going to be, can the composite close over 59.27? That's your number. We've been up here, haven't been able to do it. The volume's going to be lighter as you're going into that bar. We'll see whether it can close over it. NDX 100, same type of setup. You've been up here for 8 weeks. We'll see whether it can take it out. You're at 132.47 right now, and that number there, you're going into 104 million, and thus far it does 68. So we're going to do about 73 million, going into 104 million. I don't expect that we're going to get up and over it. NASDAQ is the strongest index, but bottom line, I expect what you're going to see out here today is high volatility coming into the close. Bonds are on the move once again. The note and bond market that had pulled back a couple days, had dramatically lighter volume on the pullback. What we have out here this morning, you've cleared the consolidation in a huge way. The consolidation on the 10-year is 125.04. We're at 126.06. Bottom line, this very well could be an additional ABC structure up that'll take it up to 128. Your 10-year yield right now is at 2.2%. 30-year, same type of setup inside the 30-year. Bottom line is that they're buying bonds, they're going to safety, all of the above. 30-year right now is trading at 154.17. That baby looks like it wants to run to the 158 level. And good old King Dollar. We get over and we take a look at King Dollar. King Dollar out here today is up 185 ticks. You have 10,000 contracts traded, and you're going to need a lot more than 10,000. Bottom line is it has price right now. We'll see if it holds as it comes into the close today. What I expect you're going to see, folks, is a lot of volatility as we come into our close out here today. Gold, bottom line, with gold needs some wide price spread, accelerated volume also. It's been trading sideways. There's no sellers, but now we want to see some buyers in the gold market. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Have a great weekend. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock Monday morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.